Hi guys, got this magic box for my studio lamp project, and one package, second package, and third package from China. Power supply cable for the lamp, some connectors, and gas from the kitchen burner. So the studio lamp project, I'll tell you more about later. Funny thing is, in Eula store, this is the Swedish, I think Swedish or some other Scandinavian chain store, a cable like this, it's an extension cable with a plug, costs less than just a cable for installation yourself. This one was 14.99 Polish zloty. And the one without this additional plug was 19.99. Looks, the more you buy, the less you pay. But let's get to the packages. Don't you just love receiving a package a day with 3 packages? I know at least what the largest package is, but I'm just wondering what this is. There's no content description. Hand tool set. So it looks like it's a set of tools for repair of cell phones. I'll finally be able to repair my old iPhone 5. Yup, exactly that. If I could only open this. Okay. A whole bunch of cool stuff. Looks like they put together the kit from things like guitar picks. At least it looks like a guitar pick, although quite thicker. That's for jamming it on the sides of a phone. So you have a couple of these. So you just work the cover, stick these inside so it just doesn't snap back together. Get these suction cups which you stick to the screen to pull it apart. You get the small screwdrivers, some other plastic tools for lifting. Okay. Also small tweezers to get to those screws that are difficult to access. Priming tool. Cool. So I'll make another video with a disassembly of my iPhone. The opening tool. Okay. And now for box number 2. Customs declaration, furniture. Package in styrofoam. Has to be some delicate content. And these are the LED bulbs I ordered some time ago. Yep. Cold white. Cold white. Cold white. I thought I ordered mixed, but guess not. Let's see. Remove the Philips bulb I have right now. And let's see if this one works. Works. Although this cold light will be good for studio lighting, but not necessarily for every day. It's 15 watts, so it's quite bright. No, the Philips is watts, 11 watts. Okay. And for the last package, and for the most exciting one. Can you tell by the shape of this what this can be? It's a backpack. But you'll be surprised by the features. Not a regular backpack. It's a backpack with this glowing design. Oh, they even included a padlock. Just take a look at this combination lock. This is this pen case, maybe for toothbrushes and stuff like that. And then we have this cool glowing pattern. Let's put it under the light and see if it works. Okay. How to do this? Let's try like this. Okay. So, it's glowing quite nicely. Doesn't look that good on the screen, but I can tell you this is quite bright, and it's been under the light for under half a minute. So if it's worn during the daylight in full sunshine, I guess it'll be glowing even nicer. Okay. So my son should be happy about this. Regarding other features, I have this. It has this rubber part here for routing your cable for headphones or to a power bank. Got a smaller pocket. So we'll put this away here. Main compartment. Oh, so there is even a US cable inside. So that rubber part here is actually, in fact, a plug. See that? You just push that from the inside here, and you have a small pocket here where you can put a power bank, and when needed you can easily plug in your phone for charging without opening the backpack. Really cool. Another inner pocket. For the price it paid, really well made. So, I can fully recommend this. Of course, you'll find all the links below. Feel free to subscribe, share, like, and see you again tomorrow with another bunch of packages, I hope. That's it for now. Take care. Bye.